Attorney, so officially we're assigned by the mayor
Yes, Your Honor. I was instructed by
as what? His council or as city legal? Municipal legal?
City legal
City
po.
legal. So, you have the full authority.
Yes, sir.
And if we ask question with regards to questions that should be addressed to the mayor, can you answer all the questions that we will ask?
If I am not a privy to the issue, Your Honor, I cannot answer them.
Yun ang problema. Why the mayor is not present today?
He has similar engagement of equal importance, Your
And
Honor.
what is that similar, equally important?
I was
schedule?
told his time to serve the constituents in Mabalacat
Ay, may
City.
problema ka, attorney. That is not acceptable. Because everyone, lahat po ng mga mayors, and that includes us, we have also to serve our constituents.
I
Diba?
will relay that.
Kung kailangan 24/7 din. But of course, in this hearing, nandito po kami, iniwan namin yung mga district namin, yung mga provinces namin, sa mga cities namin because this is more important. With that, Mr. Chairman, may I move that we issue a show cause order for the Mayor of Mabalacat for being absent in today's hearing? Because the reason that's stated by his lawyer as the city legal counsel, a city legal officer, is not valid with regards to this representation.
There's a motion to issue a show cause order to the mayor of City of Mabalacat, duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing and the said motion is now approved.